If you want something and you will not get, will you get triggered? How you will react, or will you respond? Be comfortable with the feeling of shadow and think they are special. They live in fake world. Why this happens to me? Why this is not being done according to me? I have put lot of efforts. Universe is protecting you. You want this, it's not happening. Be comfortable with it. Why getting triggered? As some emotions are there which are coming in surface area. Witness it. Observe it. Universe is protecting you. In Be kind, not towards others but for yourself. If things are not working according to you, it is a time to raise your vibration. Miracle happens always. Be your own miracle. Don't go in victim conscious. At it raises your impatience. Detect it. Do you have it? What is your connection with that current energy? Let's talk about the current reality. What is current reality? Current reality is being in present physically also and mentally also, where you need to set your narrative in a positive talking, where your narrative should be there that it creates disempowered state of mind. But this is the reality, this is the current reality. Be comfortable with that feeling of shadow instead of getting triggered. Ask with yourself, what is your connection with your current energy? What it If you say it is my comfort zone, understand it, interact with it, interact on daily basis, you will have it because you already have it. So you are in an energy, or you are in a state of mind where you already have it. Anything exists is now, it is guarantee from universe. You will have it. Don't escape in a gigantic plethora form. Can you believe it and put the trust? The third question comes here is for the argument is, do you believe in it? When you answer all these three questions, you have that why things are not comfortable for you. So it is a time to change it, change the perspective of belief. Here the concept of perspective of belief also comes, where you believe that it is being done and you accepting the situation. Impatience, trust, social fear, everything is a fear factor, things which makes you uncomfortable in a emotional state of mind. Solution for that is sit with that energy which is getting triggered you overall. Sit with that energy, breathe and be uncomfortable for 2 minutes. Try it out. Root awakening is very much necessary. Start sitting with negative emotion and start asking yourself why this is happening. Confront these emotions. You have given lot of trouble to me. Speak up. What is there in your mind? Listen to it. Raw emotions need to release. Raw emotions need to be taken out from the from your body in that particular moment. It will not be a failure state. You will empower it. Detect the feeling. Believing in your journey. You will start believing in your journey because that is very much mandatory. When you be in that energy, in the current reality, you are getting that trigger also needs to leave your body, release from your body during that conscious subconscious mind. When you are connecting with your conscious and subconscious mind, there understand the thought pattern. It also wants to release your body. Come in connection with your thought and state of mind, where it speaks that this time I need to listen. Only by listening many things, many problems resolved, and you find a way. It may take 1 month or 2 months, but whenever you are getting triggered with that thought of obstacle not coming in my mind, sit down with your thought, because small things also plays a vital role in our life, where we understand that just thinking by simple changes we can change the universe, we can change our universe, our thought pattern.